Now to the COVID-19 pandemic. There are troubling numbers tonight from north suburban Evanston, where the community risk has been elevated to high. The Evanston Department of Health reports 397 new confirmed COVID cases over the last 7 days. That's up from 305 the prior week. CBS 2's Stephen Graves is live in Evanston tonight. Stephen.
Erica, that high-risk status, the first of its kind in our area here. It means if you are out in Evanston in public, it is highly recommended you wear a mask indoors. That's regardless of vaccination status. It's not a mandate just yet, but many people wondering what the next steps will be.
We still have our signs on.
Signs on the door to mask up at the Campus Gear store in downtown Evanston. It is a polite suggestion for now.
They ask us, do you require having a mask on? We're like, it's optional.
But now that the city is in high risk of COVID transmission, staff might be masking more.
We do have to be a little more cautious.
Families taking a trip to the ice cream shop also taking precautions. We saw Vincent Bohannick and his loved ones helping each other put on masks before heading indoors.
Plus we have two members of the family that are autoimmune compromised, so the members of my own family are even more protective. Like outdoors I won't, but when I go inside I'm just more confined areas.
It comes as Evanston on Friday, now the first city in the Chicago area with the high-risk classification. The health department bases it off of hospitalizations and COVID case counts per its population size. It reported 395 cases over the past 7 days, up from 305 the week before. That's about 56 cases per day.
We checked the dashboard today during my class, and I was like, 450 is a lot.
That is how many cases in the past week Evanston's Northwestern University reported. The school, which has its own system, is seeing a steady increase since mid-April. Infections mainly in undergrad students.
I personally think that we probably should start to have more mandates reinstated. Also because we have our big Dillo Day next weekend, which is the music festival.
Chicago and suburban Cook County as a whole remain in medium COVID transmission level, and the city's top doc, Allison Arwady, is watching hospitalizations closely, which could shift a change in the tide.
We would need to see about a doubling of the number of Chicagoans being newly hospitalized with COVID compared to what we're seeing now.
And the reason Dr. Arwady says those COVID cases aren't getting as bad is because of vaccines. And here in Evanston, where about 90% of eligible people are fully vaccinated, the focus now shifts to making sure people are up to date on those booster shots. Reporting live in downtown, Stephen Graves, CBS 2 News. Erica.
Thank you, Stephen. Now here in Chicago, the current daily average of COVID-19 cases is just over 1,000. That's up 32% from the prior week.